What's going on, guys? Welcome to the video. Today we're gonna talk about 5 habits guys do that turn girls off and make them disgusted with you. Plus, I'm gonna talk about some simple changes you can make to overcome these things and actually make yourself a more attractive man. So if that sounds good, let's get started.
It feels right, yeah. I know you say that it feels right.
All right, number 1 is nervous picking. Let me ask you a question. When you're nervous or anxious, do you pick at your fingernails or your lips? I can tell you, bro, when I'm stressed out sometimes, I'll pick at a fingernail if it's a little bit too long. And if you're doing this, you need to stop. Because on one hand, when you're picking at your nails, you're gonna pick off a little bit too much by accident. It's gonna get infected. If you're picking at your lips because they're chapped, it's only gonna make them look more and more chapped. But honestly, the real danger here is if a girl notices that you're doing this, on one hand, you're not gonna look confident, you're gonna look nervous, but on the other hand, she is no longer gonna see you as an attractive man. She's gonna see you as a disgusting human being, and she's only gonna wonder, what other gross shit is this guy doing when he's alone? And you're no longer gonna have any chance of hooking up with her. And guys, the sad thing is that it's so easy to fix this. Just take 60 seconds at night and clip your fingernails so you're not tempted to pick at them. And also, just put some chapstick on your lips throughout the day so they don't get chapped in the first place. That being said, as you can tell, I'm no longer in Texas. I'm in Boston, and it is super cold. Let's keep going. It's a lot better in here. Number 2 is poor skin. And guys, this could mean a few things. First of all, it can mean acne. Like, I used to struggle from really bad acne a few years ago, and it killed my confidence, especially with girls. But it could also mean having super oily or super dry skin, or starting to get wrinkles and aging. Now, if you're suffering from any of these things, it's frustrating, it sucks. You see guys with perfect skin, and they don't have to do anything about it. But at the end of the day, what is important is not that you're experiencing this, but that you actually do something about it. Because if not, girls are straight up not gonna wanna get close to you. They're not gonna wanna kiss you because your face is gonna kind of gross them out. Now, personally, the product I like to use is called Tiege Hanley, and I love this because it just makes your skincare routine so fucking simple. Like, I don't have to go to the store anymore and search through the shelves for the right products. When you buy a box of Tiege, it comes with everything you need. First of all, you're gonna get this instruction card that tells you exactly when and how to use each product. And then you're gonna get the products themselves, guys. You're gonna get a daily face wash. You're gonna get a moisturizer for the morning, a moisturizer for the nighttime. And if you get one of their higher end packages, you're even gonna get this anti-aging eye cream to get rid of those wrinkles. And honestly, the best part is that they don't put cheap shit in their products. They use high-end ingredients like eucalyptus, collagen, green tea. And you're probably thinking, bro, this sounds like it's gonna be super expensive. The good news is, because they sell directly to the consumer, it's actually very affordable to get this, and because they're sponsoring today's video, you can actually get it for even less if you click that first link in the description. I got a great deal for you guys if you want to give Tiege Hanley a try. So we're at Starbucks for breakfast with Julia.
Hey guys.
And the big homie Dave.
What's going on, guys?
And guys, I'm trying their double bacon smoked sandwich. Take a look at that. And bro, that's real good. There's a lot of bacon in there. Double the bacon, I guess. 8 out of 10. Anyway, I'm gonna let Julia give number 3. Julia, what's one habit guys have that just completely turns you off?
When guys are too hairy.
So what she's saying is, don't be a hairy man.
As girls, we always gossip about who we hooked up with, and one of the biggest turnoffs is when a guy takes off his shirt and he's just so hairy.
So like, would you not hook up with a guy if this happened?
No, and all you just need to do is basically groom, you know, make sure you're shaving your chest hairs and make sure it's not popping through your shirt or down the back of your shirt, and making sure you're shaving.
Yeah, like unfortunately, if you're someone who's naturally hairy, you have to deal with it. Like, you have to take responsibility for that shit. Trim your chest, your stomach, your back, And even something else Julie didn't say is your neck. Like if you get I get a lot of hair here. You can probably even see some growing back in since I trimmed yesterday. So I need to make sure every day I keep that clean. And the same thing goes for the back of your neck. If you're starting to get hairy there, it's time for another haircut, bro. I think I gotta teach Julia how to dance, guys. Also, that was our first workout back in the home gym. The real OG Beast will remember that gym. Number 4 is do not be a smelly man. If you're an active guy like me and you're hitting the gym every day, honestly, even if you're not, you need to take a shower every single day and wear deodorant. Like this is a bare minimum requirement because if not, like it's just simple human biology. You're gonna get body odor and you're gonna smell bad and girls are not gonna get near you. And bro, even if you're not someone who has like really bad body odor, if you're not regularly showering and wearing clean underwear, then you're gonna smell down there. And if your pants come off and a girl goes down on you, she's gonna be straight up disgusted. And she's never gonna go down on you again. She might even get up and leave right there. Now, I know most of that's common sense, so let's talk about taking this to the other extreme. Because a lot of guys, they're so afraid of this that they wear a shit ton of cologne. Like I can't tell you how many times I'm walking around downtown and a guy walks by me and I'm like what the fuck? It smells like the whole perfume store just walked by me. It's honestly disgusting. And girls aren't gonna like that either. So I do recommend using cologne, but guys, one spray on your wrist, touch it to your other wrist, touch it to your neck, and that's it, one spray. All right, guys, I'm gonna let the big homie Dave give you number 5. What is one bad habit you've had in the past that you think has turned off girls that you were pursuing?
If I had to narrow it down to one thing, I would say messiness.
So you're talking about having a messy home.
I am talking about having a messy home. So in the past, I haven't been known for having like the cleanest house in the world. Sometimes I would have like my bed wouldn't be made. I'd have a bunch of trash in the trash can, a bunch of dishes in the sink.
I used to live with this guy. Like, you'd walk into the living room and his laptop would be there, his backpack would be there, his sweatshirt would be there. It was a little bit filthy.
You know, you're gonna make your presence known sometimes though, bro. That being said, when that kind of thing happens and a girl comes back to your house, there's no way she's gonna feel comfortable because it just seems like a pigsty, right? She's not gonna wanna hook up with the guy who has that environment.
Yeah, she's not gonna be comfortable, it might smell, it might look gross. And your chances, of closing the deal go down dramatically.
So make sure you got all that shit cleaned up. And as a bonus, one of my friends used to do this all the time and the girls would love it. Light a nice little scented candle and some incense. It's really gonna set the mood.
And also, I would advise putting some music on, not too loud, but just some low music in the background to really bring home that sensual vibe.
For sure, because if she feels like home, she gonna get the bone.
Anyway, guys, let me duck under that. You know, we had to get the lighting right for that scene. Those were 5 habits that turn girls off and how to fix them as well. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know I'm doing a good job. And if you have not subscribed yet, click subscribe and turn notifications on because I release videos just like this every Monday and every Thursday. And you don't want to miss them. I will talk to you in the next video. Stay beastly.